Hello everyone, welcome to A Bot for You. Today's I'm starting a new topic, that is Studio X in UiPath. For a professional having no prior knowledge of software development and coding skills, they can use Studio X of UiPath and they can use very numerous number of templates, pre-designed templates that to be used without any coding skill. They can use it and they can build their bots for their special use cases. So here I am going to start tell you how you can switch to UiPath Studio to your UiPath Studio X. So as you can see, this is my UiPath Studio version, and I have all the bots, and you can see these bots are open recent bots are there. These are the templates. So I'm going to tell you how you can switch to UiPath Studio license. So here you have to go to setting, then in the license here you can see that you have general, design, location, manages, sources, licenses, profile, team. So in licenses profile you have to go there, and then you can, as you can see this, you have view and change profile. So here you have to click OK. As you can see, these are the three product we have from UiPath, that is UiPath Studio Pro, that is for our most advanced studio IDE. It is the most advanced one. Licensing offering, which in addition to Studio comes bundled with testing tools, advanced RPA features and coding services. And for Studio UiPath Studio, we have for users looking to build complex unattended or attended processes automation, ideal for users with prior programming experience. That I am right now I am using it, but I want to look for a new studio that is having, that is there we don't require any kind of coding skills. So for those they are non-IT professionals in our software industry. Here you can see UiPath StudioX for business users looking to automate tasks for themselves and their immediate teams, ideal for users with limited or no experience with writing codes. So I'm going to click over here. Here you will be asked to restart your UiPath Studio in order to switch to UiPath Studio X from UiPath Studio. Okay, I'm going to say yes. As you can see, this is going to start now. Yeah, this may take time because it takes time to load the studio, entire studio. I'm having version 20.10, that is the most latest version we have right now in 2021. Yeah, as you can see, this entire interface got changed, right? So here we have as you can see, this is in that the templates we have, the default templates we can get over here, and let's create one blank one. Okay, so I have created one. Let's go to this demo UiPath Studio X. Okay, installing dependencies, creating workspace. Otherwise, whenever you need to start new one, you can start similarly as UiPath Studio. You can start blank task over here, and you can name your project and the location of your project files you want to save. You can locate it there. And even you can use templates. These templates you can use. It is adding all the dependencies. It may take time. Okay, yeah, this is about to open. Yeah, exactly, this is the entire interface. This is very attractive interface. This is colorful one. as you can see here. Yeah, here we have all this is in different colors. We have this all are there. This is the first bot. You can, this is the way you can create your first Studio X bot. Okay, thank you. Maybe next day I'm going to post new way to how can you use Gmail. And here you can see this. Here we have to provide client ID and client secret for using Gmail account. Next day I'm going to explain you this. Okay, thank you for all.